Meaning of fried.
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 Fried. Fried refers to a cooking method where food is cooked in hot oil, usually until it turns crispy and golden brown. The high temperature of the oil creates a crispy exterior while ensuring that the interior remains juicy and tender. However, fried foods can be unhealthy due to the high levels of oil and fat used to cook them, which can contribute to health problems such as weight gain and heart disease. Despite this, fried foods remain popular around the world due to their satisfying texture and flavor.